You took your Chanel bag to the dry cleaners, removed dirt, and got this. Yes, shoemakers just painted you back instead of cleaning. Why? Acrylic paint, which cracked it after a week or use. We are all shocked. But you decided not to despair and found a repair shoe. We agreed on the details and decided to restore the original look. Let's see that came of it. The first procedure is the removal of the dye using a special solvent, a lethal procedure that is used in extreme cases to fix other people's jumps. There is a problem. Acrylic comes off with original color. I will have to restore the bag from the photo. Restoration. Titanic work spells. I need to isolate the entire thread. This job requires diligence. Now I'm painting smoke. It consists of the main color, and a blue tint fading away. Having picked up the colors, I spray them. Clean the thread and restore the fittings. By the way, if you want to learn this craft, you can email me from the link in the description and enroll in an online restoration course. Dear viewers, evaluate the restoration you see on a 100-point scale. Please, I remind you that the restoration of color took place according to the photo. Left, the dirty original. Right, clean restoration. It's just some kind of magic. Repair shoe.